tutorial, we're going to show you how you can set yourself up as a provider. On Dentfish, providers are users who want to sell services through the Dentfish platform. The first step to become a provider is to register as a regular user. We do have tutorials available how to do that. So for this tutorial, we assume you have a user account already. As a first step, log in to your user account. Now this is a brand new account, so there are no cases inside here just yet. In order to become a provider, what you need to do is to go to the settings page. So click settings in the main navigation. We assume that you have set up yourself here already with your contact details and so forth. Again, we do have a tutorial how to do that. The important thing to focus on for now is this functionality here, which is called provider functionality. So in order to become a provider, you need to switch that button here. You need to turn on the switch. Now there's something that is very important to understand. This is a one-way street. So once you switch on your provider functionalities, there is no turning back. So if you would like to sell services and buy services on the platform at the same time, we recommend that you think carefully whether you want to do that through the same account or whether you want to set up two accounts. You can, of course, do it through the same account, but just know that once you turn on provider functionality, it's turned on and it cannot be turned off again. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my account into a provider account by switching this button. So you can see now it's gone. And if I scroll back up to the top, you can also see that that some additional menus have appeared here. So before that, I just only had account and report. Now I also have a profile and a services tab. In addition, on the main navigation on the left-hand side, you will also find one more menu item, which is called jobs. So this you can only see if you converted your account into a provider account. So the next thing that you should notice is that besides payment method, you also have now a menu item payout accounts in your settings page. So that's the first step to become a provider. In future videos, we're going to walk you through the details of how to set up your profile, your services, and then finally start to sell services on the platform. Check out those videos. Bye for now.